Hello people, come let's bake this donut. Ever since I learned it, I had not stopped doing it. It's a donut with a twist, some flour, salt, some sugar, some nutmeg, white pepper, onion powder, yeast powder, vanilla powder, vegetable oil, 1 egg, and I will add in my warm milk. I will whisk and whisk and whisk and whisk until everything comes together. All my old and new, thank you for coming. Thank you for the love and the support. May the good Lord bless you all. If you are new, subscribe, follow for more amazing videos. Check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. Cooking videos, health videos, snack videos. I have them all in here. So I will just whisk and mix until it comes out smooth and fluffy. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Lady B Varieties is the name that I am using. So that is it. Once I am done mixing properly, fluffy, smooth, without lump, I will cover and allow it to rise up at least 30 minutes. So that is it, guys. Thank you for being here. Covered. So here it has doubled in size. Created my machine. So I'll be adding the batter. And I'm going to bake it 0 to 8 minutes until it turns brown. So this is it. Baking 0 to 8 minutes. I will remove it. So I will add in the second round. And I also bake it for 0 to 8 minutes. So guys, this recipe is a go. I tried it and I will leave the one I made before on my right hand side so that you can also check the recipe that I used on that one too. So here it is baked. I will remove it, ready to be enjoyed. This is it, properly cooked, yummy. Enjoy. See you in my next one. Bye.